We are in Comfort Castle, Portland to be exact. Look at this beautiful lawn grass, my viewers and subscribers. A lot more for you to see, but in order for you to see it, you got to stick and stay and continue watch the video. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, as we giving you a drone show in this video, is a drone view we giving you. I don't have a drone for myself, my viewers and subscribers, so I borrow my friend Clarity one and do this video so that we can bring it to one of my viewers, because I feel like it's justified for me to show you people a drone view in this community, Comfort Castle. Because remember, when you're on the ground, you only can see what they before you, but when you give you a drone view now, then you can see more. So I want you people to see more. For the people who don't know this community in Portland named Comfort Castle, you know, I'm trying to make you see as much as me can make you see. Because remember, I am away from home, and is this same district that I go and walk on a swinging bridge. So I'm gonna post the video for the link for that video down in this description, so you can go and watch it, my viewers and subscribers, and see what it's like to walk in on a swinging bridge for the first time. See what a swinging bridge is all about. Okay, so if you never watched it before, I'm gonna post the link down in this description and you go and watch it. Okay, but in Comfort Castle, my viewers, as you can see down here, so you have a place I'm calling Ginger House. Ginger House, now that's where you find the swinging bridge. And when you go up more to Comfort Castle, further go up more, you have a place that I'm calling Millbank, and same place in Portland. And you can continue on that road and reach back in St. Thomas, you know, my viewers, Whitehall, them place there, but it's not a driving road. You understand? When I reach you, I mention it's a walking road. But anyway, as I say, we are giving you a overhead view, and we are going to cover the place or some more in my viewers. So look out for more video of this place, as you can see. So we are giving a wide view. We're going to see what Comfort Castle is like, because this community is a quiet community, you know, where a lot of people may not know about. Where a lot of people may not go before. As you can see, one thing I want to tell you, the river is close to the community, but it's a beautiful community. Take a look for yourself, my viewers. Look for yourself, man. It's a beautiful community, and I want to big up each and every citizen in this community, because you know, going through the community, me I tell you on top about respect, they show you respect. Me I tell you, know if you talk to you with manners and respect. So big up everybody for in a Comfort Castle. Big up on yourself, man. Thumbs up. As I can see, the river is so close against the community, my viewers. So hopefully for the future, that should, in case the river should get, you know, when the river get on the wrong side, so hopefully, you know, really trouble the community, because this community is a nice community. As me say further up before you, as you look, you can book up on a place named Millbank. This community, what you are looking at in Comfort Castle, it got everything that a community should have. It have a police station, them have them school, them have the road is proper road. My viewers, as me gonna pin the link for the video that me walk on the ground and go on the swinging bridge down in this description, where I go see more about the road and, you know, more about the ground settings. But these are the drone shot, so me are going overhead. Hope you enjoy it. Beautiful water down, beautiful seed, and we are going to give you some more about this place, you know. Because there's a next place up the road I'm calling Millbank, but we are going to go to my viewers. I don't know if we are going to try to go to one of them there, yeah? But early man, we are going to make you see, and we have a next place again I'm calling Barracks. We are going to cross the swinging bridge, where we are going to check out and make you all see too. Okay, my viewers, so you know what to do, so just do the do. Finish with the talking, make you continue watching video. Speak your mind down in the comment section, hope you all enjoy it. You know what to do, so just do the do.